In this video, I'm about to show you how to make Marvel Rivals run better on low-end PC. In game settings, set resolution to 720p or lower, then set the graphics quality to low or medium. Now turn it off or set it to TAAU, temporary anti-aliasing unsampling. Next, turn off or set to SSGI, screen space global illumination low quality. Now turn off or set to screen space reflections. Set mode details to low. Turn it off or set it to low. Now turn off or set to low. Then set texture detail to low. Set effect detail to turn off or set to low. After that, set the foliage quality turn off or set it to low. Enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling or HEGS and resizable bar in Windows settings. Turn on the game mode in Windows settings. Use the Windows high performance power profile. Disable memory integrity in Windows device security settings. Overclock your GPU if you're narrowly missing the 60 FPS mark. Install the latest GPU drivers from NVIDIA or AMD. Now close background applications to free up resources. Install the game on a SSD for faster load times. Disable any overlays, Steam, Discord, etc. while playing. Increase your page file if you have less than 16 GB of RAM. Now use the NVIDIA control panel to set low latency to on and VSync to fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.